Robust design to support harsh industrial environments. Intuitive menu for easy operation with minimal training. 2 models to meet diverse needs. RFID printing and encoding capabilities. Introducing S84 and S86NX, SATO's new print engines for high-volume, 24/7 mission-critical print and apply labeling operations. S84, S86NX has larger hinges that provide extra strength. The cover switch is redesigned to have a longer throw, and the new roller assembly is made more durable. Print engine can withstand use in dusty environments or where water may be splashed. S84 S86NX has a dual-color LED to provide printer status notification. It also comes with onboard instructional videos for training and maintenance, multinational language support, and pre-installed auto-switch competitive printer language emulations. The USB port on the side can be used for easy cloning of additional or backup printers, while the printer screen can be customized with company logo, asset ID or other information based on user needs. What's more, S84, S86NX can be operated directly via the applicator's display for centralized control. The rear chassis opens outward on both sides so that internal components can be accessed simultaneously. Users have easy and wide access to clean, remove and replace print head, and can simply loosen one screw to remove rollers from the front of the printer. S84, S86NX is also compatible with SOS, a SATO cloud-based solution that enables remote management for preventative maintenance and quick troubleshooting almost like a service engineer on site. Versatile print engines, designed for demanding environments. S84 and S86NX Print Engine Series.